party for Chloe's first birthday party, and I'm gonna show you how I hang this balloon garland. Hung this corner up. Now I'm gonna hang the next corner up to show you. It's just a command hook, but it's this kind that moves. I think that's like really important. Also, get the ones that have the white tabs. The clear ones usually peel off the paint. So I made the balloon garland with balloon tape, and I tied a little loop in here, and the loop is how we're gonna hang it on the hook. To hang these star garlands, all I did was tie some twine in here around the balloon tape and then tape little stars on it. That's it. I did one here and one there. These are just acrylic letters. I'll tag where I got them made here, and I hung them up with command strips. So I just cut the command strips really skinny and stuck them on the wall, and then stuck each letter individually on there. And this year for the party, we have like 6 babies coming. And I wanted it to feel like a big play date. So I took the furniture out of this room and turned it into a little play space for the kids. This is like a climbing thing. I'll link where I got all this from. This is the climbing thing too. You can roll it over and rock on it. It's just like really fun stuff, but it'll be really good for the kids. I will link all the sources below of everything that I used for the party. If I forgot anything, just let me know.